With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So here the question says that wobbling reduces the number of tRNAs required for polypeptide synthesis. So it is an assertion type question, and the assertion statement is given this, and the reason says that it increases the effect of code degeneracy, right? So we have four options here. If both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, then mark 1. If both assertion and reason are true and the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion, then mark 2. If assertion is true statement but reason is false, then mark 3. If both assertion and reason are false statement, then mark 4, right? So we have to tell which one will be the correct answer. So if we talk about the wobbling, which is known as the wobbling or the wobble hypothesis, right? So this hypothesis was firstly proposed by the scientist whose name was Crick in the year 1966, right? So this hypothesis explains the degeneracy of genetic code. Degeneracy of genetic code, right? So the degeneracy of codons accounts for the unequal distribution of different amino acids in a protein. So it is the unequal distribution of different amino acids in a protein, right? So according to this hypothesis, the major degeneracy occurs at the third position of a codon, right? So the major degeneracy occurs at the third position, whereas first two bases don't change. So this third base is called wobble base, right? So for example, codon AUG codes for amino acid methionine, right? Codes for methionine amino acid. So the third base, which is the guanine base, if it is going to be changed, it gives for another amino acid, right? Whereas the two bases don't change. So it is the third base which can change and gives degeneracy, right? And that is why this base is to be termed as the wobble base, right? So this is the third base which increases the effect of degeneracy. So if we talk about the reason of the given assertion, so assertion says that wobbling reduces the number of tRNAs required for polypeptide synthesis. So this statement is absolutely correct because tRNAs, which is an adapter molecule, they carry anticodon, right? So these codons are in the form of triplet code and they carry these anticodons for the formation of amino acid, right? So wobbling, if the wobbling means if there is the wobble base, it reduces the number of tRNAs, right, required for the another amino acid, but it increases the effect of code degeneracy. So this is also correct because wobbling increases the effect of code degeneracy. So here both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of this assertion. So that is why option 1 will be the correct answer here.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.